Good evening, my dear students. I welcome you all for today's Embedded System IoT lab. Today, I am going to give a demo on how to measure the analog signal from temperature sensor. Okay. So, this is the experiment which we are going to perform today. Before no, doing this experiment by you, today I am going to give some demonstration on this particular experiment. This experiment is related to measuring the analog signal from temperature sensor. This is the experiment 2. The main principal aim of this experiment is to develop temperature detection system using Arduino UNO microcontroller. So by using Arduino UNO microcontroller, we have to measure the temperature, okay, by using the temperature sensor. Okay, so mainly the hardware components required for this particular experiment are Arduino UNO temperature sensor TMP36, and we require 3 LEDs. Okay, and like regarding the connections, how to connect the wires to different hardware components, that I will show by means of the Tinkercad software. So we are going to perform this particular experiment so by using the Autodesk Tinkercad software. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, I will explain later in detail about this particular program. Okay, so the procedure is like first already we installed Arduino IDE software, okay, in our desktop, and also you can perform this particular experiment by using your AutoCAD Tinkercad software also. So today we are performing that experiments by using the AutoCAD Tinkercad software. So first whatever the program I shown here, we'll write this program in the software, and after before that we'll set up all the wire configurations, wire connections in the by using the different elements in the AutoCAD, like Tinkercad AutoCAD software, and after that we'll write the program. Okay, so today I'll just already I opened my login by using the Tinkercad software. Already shown how to log in. So it is a web-based software. Okay, you can log in directly by using your college email ID. Okay, so after that you have to click the option here. There is an option like here. You can see that there is a create plus symbol is there. So there are three options are there: 3D design, circuits, and code blocks. So we are going to perform this like our this particular experiment 2 by using this particular Autodesk Tinkercad software by using the category circuits. Click the option circuits. Okay, so this is the here you can see that the default name was typed here. You can change that one. I'm typing here as experiment exp2, like that, experiment 2. Okay, and here you can see that there are different components you can see here. Okay, that are available in this Tinkercad. Okay, these are the some basic components, and you can select some different categories also. Otherwise you can search here in the search box. Okay, for this particular like our particular experiment, we required the components like Arduino UNO and temperature 36 related like a temperature sensor, and we require 3 LEDs and one breadboard. Okay, so you can see that here, okay, there is a like we are taking the our hardware component. This is the like Arduino UNO. We have clicked that one and place in this particular workspace area here. Okay, okay, otherwise you can just zoom in also by using your mouse, you can zoom in that particular component. Okay, this is the how. And after that, now you just click on the breadboard. Okay, this is the breadboard, so use that one. Okay, use the breadboard. Okay, and after that, you because we require the one temperature sensor. You can see that here there is a temperature sensor is there. You click that one and place anywhere on this particular breadboard. Okay, breadboard. Okay, and after that you click on the LED. Okay, here we require three different LEDs we require. You place somewhere here. Okay, and I'm placing three different LEDs here. Okay, like this you place the three. Otherwise you can even change color also. Okay, I want, like, I'm using green one. Okay, and like second one also I want to change the color, you can change it. Okay, some orange or other different colors based on your requirement. Okay, and the third one I make it as default one, red one. Okay, so after that, okay, we have to do the connections. Okay, so you use the, like, this particular point. Okay, I will just zoom in, zoom out this particular one. Here in the breadboard, like this particular Arduino UNO, these are the unlock pins. Okay, and these are the pins related to power. And here you can see at the top. Okay, these are the digital pins. Okay, and the digital pins of this Arduino, there can see that some uh, like wave symbol here beside the 6, 5, 3 and 11 and 10 and 9, because these symbols shows that we can use these pins as digital as well as the unlock pins also. That's why that special symbol given here. Okay, so now what we have to do is, like, I am going to connect this particular, okay, one. Like here in the program I taken the unlock pin, A3. Okay, you click on this particular A3. Okay, and you connect it with this particular one, like this. Okay, and here with the center one, this is this one I'm going to connect. Okay, okay, I will change the color. You can even change the color also. Okay, I am changing the color to pink. Okay, A3, and after that you can connect the, because in this there is a 5-volt pin is there. Okay, in the program I taken the 5-volt pin, that's why I'm connecting that 5-volt pin. Okay, from here. Okay, okay, like this you can connect. I can connect to the this particular first pin related one, this temperature one. This below that I am going to connect it. If I want, I can change the color, like I am going to change the color to the green one. Okay, later I am going to connect the, here you can see ground connection is there. I am connecting that particular ground pin to, okay, this one particular one. Okay, okay, that also I'm going to change the color to black. Okay, this especially black one is ground one is connected to the this particular point. Okay, ground one, below that I'm connected. And after that, this is the 5-volt power, that's I'm going to collect the power. Okay, power one is connected to the this particular, below that one I am connecting. And the ground one is connected to the this particular ground one, black one. And center, that whatever the unlock in is there, that we connected to the A3 pin is connected to the center one. Okay, that kind of temperature sensor, the center pin is connected to the particular A3. Okay, so after that you use the connect this particular one and entire every particular one with the this positive one. Okay, this one. Okay, this LED also connect to the positive, and this one also you connect to the positive. Okay, and after that you connect this particular, because the program you return like 2 3 4 pin. That's why I'm connecting this particular one to the second pin, this particular one connecting to the third pin. So if you're writing the program, whatever the number, accordingly you can connect this particular short leg to the fourth pin. Okay, like that you are going to connect. Okay, and after that because you have to connect this particular ground one. Okay, to positive. Okay, connect this particular ground to the positive one. Now the all the connections are get completed. Now you just whatever the program already given in the observation, use that particular program, you type it, but for the time sake I am copying the entire program. Okay, you type the entire line by line, you type this entire program in your particular Tinkercad software. Okay, so here you can see that there is a code block editor is there. You click that code one, so there will three different options are there. In that you click the text. Okay, then it will ask are you sure, then you just click continue. Okay, then the default code will be comes, you just delete that particular one and you enter your program. Okay, okay, then after that you check the simulation. Okay, you can see that the it is orange color one is blown. So without any errors we executed this particular experiment 2. Now I explain about the program. Okay, now first I already explained how to connect all these hardware components in the Tinkercad, and after that by using the code editor we are entered the entire program related to this particular no, experiment 2. And after that you, okay, you want to stop, you can stop, because if you want to edit the program, always stop the simulation. After that you can edit the program. Okay, if I want to start again start simulation, then you can again click here. Okay, you can to vary the temperature. Okay, you can click on the sensor, temperature sensor, you can see that here. Okay, you can vary the temperature. So I will explain about these how the color changes are going to happen based on the temperature ranges. The color changes are going to happen here. Okay, so I will explain in detail about this particular temperature ranges, and about the entire detailed explanation I will give uh, in few minutes. Okay, like this we have to execute the program. After that again you can stop the program, otherwise you can, okay, and also you can check there is a serial monitor is there. Okay, here in serial monitor also you can check the, okay, if you are varying the temperature. So for example I vary the temperature 27, like in the serial monitor I can visualize the temperature here. Okay, like this. Okay, 50 56, like this I can check that status of the temperature will shown in this particular serial monitor. Okay, now I explain about the program in detail now. Okay, like this you have to mainly, okay, so you can see this particular program. Okay, mainly what we are doing here is we use the three LEDs, okay, and one temperature sensor. The main purpose of this particular okay program, can see that is, okay, to detect the temperature. Okay, to detect the temperature. Okay, mainly to detect the temperature. And whenever there is a change in the temperature variation, it reads the temperature data from the unlock temperature sensor. Here we use some unlock temperature sensor. Okay, it will read the data from the unlock temperature sensor which is connected to the, here we connected that temperature sensor to the A3 pin. Okay, based on the temperature value, it activates the LEDs. There are three different LEDs are there. Okay, that LED is also connected to the digital pin outputs 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so in this like below, like we connect, like, written the program in such a way that yeah, like here, okay, if the temperature is less than 20, okay, then LED on pin 2 is turn on whenever the temperature is less than 20. Okay, then the connected pin 2, that is connected pin 2 LED is glow. Okay, and it will display the temperature. The temperature values will be displayed in the serial monitor. And same like that, when the temperature is between 20 to 25, okay, if the temperature is in between, so this particular one code, okay, temperature is in the range between 20 to 25, then you can see that the pin number 3 will be on. Okay, the 2 and 4, here low indicates the off, and 3 that is high indicates the, that LED 3 connected pin will be glow. Okay, that is if the temperature is in the range between 20 and 25. And third one is if the temperature is uh, above 25 degrees centigrade. Okay, third condition, if the else, okay, if the temperature is above 25 degrees centigrade, then the connected pin, that you can see that second pin related LED will be off, that is low, and third pin related LED will be low, and when the temperature is more than 25, then fourth pin related LED will be high, that connected LED will be glow. That's main no, logic behind this particular program. Okay, so coming to the explanation of this particular program, okay, line by line. Okay, this particular void setup, okay, void setup, this section which initializes the pins, okay, this particular void setup initializes the pins. So we are connecting the different LEDs to the pin 2, pin 3 and pin 4. So this particular void setup initializes the pins, okay, related to the pins, that is pin 2 is output is 3, that is connected one is the pin output pin 2 and output, and pin 3 and output, and pin 4 and output. Okay, here, okay, these particular lines of blocks of program, okay, which sets pin number 2, 3 and 4 as output pins. Okay, here we are specifying, okay, pin 2, pin 3 and pin 4 as output pins for controlling the LEDs. That's we are specifying by means of the void setup. Okay, so next here we are using another uh, program instruction, that is serial dot begin. This particular line which initializes the serial communication, okay, at a baud rate of 9600 to send the temperature values to the serial monitor. So by this particular serial dot begin, which this particular code initializes the serial communication at baud rate of 9600 to send the temperature values to the serial monitor. So that's why we are using this particular serial dot begin. Okay, so and after that we use the program line, that is void loop. Okay, so this particular section runs repeatedly. So to run the that particular code repeatedly, we are using the void loop. So void loop, this section entirely runs the code repeatedly. Okay, so here we are specifying the int space temperature analog equal to analog read A3. This particular line reads the analog value from pin A3. So this particular line int temperature is equal to analog read A3, which reads the analog value from pin A3, which is connected to the temperature sensor. Okay, and after that next block is temperature is equal to map temperature comma 25 comma 358 minus 40 comma 125. So this particular block maps the raw sensor value. This particular block maps the raw sensor value. Okay, the range is in between okay, the range is in between 25 to 358. Okay, to a temperature scale of, okay, to a temperature, the range of the temperature scale of the sensor is minus 40 to minus 40 degrees centigrade to like 125 degrees centigrade. Okay, that's why we are using this particular code here. Okay, this map function scales the values linearly. This map function scales values linearly. Okay, so after that okay, I already explained the logic behind this particular one. Whenever the temperature is less than 20, then pin number 2 will be get on, and whenever temperature range is in between 20 and 25, then the pin number 3 related LED will be on. When the temperature is higher, more than 25, then pin number 4 related LED will be on. Okay, the like how like the whenever the signal from unlock like A3 pin it got the unlock signal. Based on that, these LED signals will glow according to the temperature variation. So that is how the logic behind this particular program here. Okay, mainly this particular serial dot println. Okay, okay, this sends the map temperature values to the serial monitor. Here you can see that in the serial monitor the value is get displayed. So whenever the like unlock signal detect the temperature and the connected LED is glown, then immediately that particular mapped temperature value, here you can see I am seeing the temperature value as 62 degrees centigrade. So it is sending that temperature value of 62 degrees centigrade to this particular serial monitor. Okay, that's about this particular experiment. Okay, hope all of you understand about this particular experiment. Okay, first what I have to do is like first like if I want to edit this particular code, to stop simulation, and you can press the code. There you can click the your cursor and you can edit the program. Okay, if you want to edit these connections, then you just click code off, and there you can see the different components are there. Okay, first I use the click this particular Arduino UNO, and after that I use the breadboard, and after that I use the temperature sensor and 3 LEDs I connected. So I connected A3 unlock pin. Okay, this one, so pink color one, you can see that to the center one. This is the output. Okay, and this one is the power. You can see that 5 voltage one. This is connected to this particular point, power point. Okay, and the black one ground connection connected to this particular one. Okay, and after that I entered the program and also explain the detailed explanation related to the program. Hope all of you understand about this particular program. I thank you all. Hope you for coming and learning this particular demonstration class. Thank you.